Naalala niyo pa ba nung pinag-aralan natin ang tungkol sa UNTV Cup? Ang UNTV Cup ay isang charity basketball league sa Philippine TV. Ito ang kauna-unahang charity game para sa mga public servant at celebrities ng ating bansa. Nagkaroon na ng 2 seasons at nadagdagan na din ng mga team na naglaro. Tinanghal na kampiyon ang Team Judiciary noong first season at ang AFP Cavaliers noong season 2. At bago pa man magbukas ang season 3 ng UNTV Cup, nagkaroon ng off-season games na kanibibilangan ng 3 malaking sangay ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Ito ay ang Team Judiciary, Legislative at Executives. Sumali din ang media team na pinangungunahan naman ni Kuya Daniel Rizon.
In the meantime, it's in the box. Drop up by Escala. Too tight, but no problem.
7 points in under.
Yamamoto, Sagasa, as always, great basket. That the last game he exploded in the third quarter, but Daniel Rizon knocks in his second basket. To the leaking out, Yamamoto 1-on-none. Has been a former junior player.
Sa Judikatura.
Sa legislators, di ba?
Sa judiciary ba natalo?
Sanders missing. Escala is there. The curtain raisers. Yamamoto charges against Sanders.